Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Imaluddin bin Muhammad Zahid.
And my name is Omar bin Tahir.
We, a team of 2 members, are going to present the introduction of strategic management accounting.
Topic 7. Strategic Management Accounting. Strategic Management Accounting Framework. Definition of Strategic Management Accounting. SEMA 2005 defines strategic management accounting as a form of management accounting in which emphasis is placed on information which relates to factors external to the entity, as well as non-financial information and internally generated information. Secondly, the provision and analysis of management accounting data about a business and its competitor which is of use in the development and monitoring of the strategy of that business. Simmons, 1981. The provision and analysis of financial information on the firm's product, markets and competitors' costs and cost structure, and the monitoring of the enterprise strategies and those of its competitors in these markets over a number of periods. Bromwich, 1990.
Strategic management accounting gives a financial dimension to strategic management and control, providing information on the financial aspect of strategic plan and planning financial aspect of their implementation. Strategic role of management accounting emphasizes in formulating and supporting the overall strategy of an organization by developing an integrated framework of performance measurement. Strategic management accounting monitors performance in line with the organization's strategic objective in financial and non-financial terms.
Review of literature by Lott, 1996, identified the following strands. The first important aspect, external information about competitors. Explanation: help firm evaluate its competitive position relative to the rest of the industry. Manager require information that indicates by whom and by how much they are gaining or getting beaten. Strategic advantages: firstly, improve learning curve. Secondly, pricing policy. Thirdly, focus on volume and market share. The next important aspect, accounting in relation to strategic positioning. Firms should place more emphasis on particular techniques depending upon the strategic position they adopt. Classification of strategic position and accounting technique. Firstly, following defender strategy. Next, follow prospector strategies and build strategy. The last important aspect is gaining competitive advantage through exploiting linkage in the value chain. Explanation: focus on each link in the chain from the customer's perspective. Claim that traditional management accounting starts too late and finish too soon in terms of the value chain. The aim of value chain analysis is to find linkage between value creating.
Picture 2015 posits that the strategic management process constitutes the theoretical framework for the study together with the concept of strategic management accounting and the role of the accountant. He introduced a diagram that summarizes a formal version of strategic management process in Figure 1. Figure 1. The strategic management process by Picture 2015 in diagram. It depicts the key role of management accounting has in providing support for decision making and thus incorporate the typical elements of information gathering and analysis, generations of options, choice, implementation, monitoring and evaluation.
A simplified version, Figure 2 from Picture 2015, shows management accountant involvement with strategic management process. This is Figure 2 of Picture 2015, include factors influencing the accountant's involvement in the strategic management process. It provides a mapping of the degree to which accountants are able to become actively involved and hence utilize management accounting to support the strategic management process.
Contemporary strategic management accounting techniques. Normative contribution to strategic management accounting often suggests templates for strategic management accounting practices. The example of techniques of strategic management accounting is activity-based costing, benchmarking, competitor cost assessment, customer accounting, life cycle costing, strategic costing, target costing, attribute costing, competitive position monitoring, competitor performance appraisal based on public financial statements, integrated performance measurement, quality costing, strategic pricing, and value chain costing.
That is all from us on the presentation about the introduction of strategic management accounting. We hope anyone who watched this video can gain information which could benefit us in the future. Thank you.